a couple of minutes, there's somebody out North Coast where we got some big stations rolling in. Big stations rolling in. 85. Hello, 100 and 185. It's the diesel wagon around Oregon waving.
How about out there, DXLand? DXLand, you're 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Hey, 018. 018. Out here in the West Coast, man. We out here in the West Coast.
I heard somebody out there in the West Coast. I didn't hardly catch them numbers to handle, but good evening time. Your friend 10, 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper with the wave. Rough and tough out there this evening. Rough and tough. Hope y'all doing all right and have a good weekend coming up. Your 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
018 Beavis, look at T-Bird. 018 Beavis, look at T-Bird. T-Bird, T-Bird, San Diego. Hey Beavis, 018 Beavis, T-Bird, San Diego,
Hello, Mr. T-Bird, San Diego. Mr. T-Bird, San Diego. Sounding real good in Tennessee, man. Your 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
No doubt. Hey, 018 Beavis, made a good trip down to San Diego. You know who's T-Bird, back in my day.
All right, Mr. T-Bird, hope you have a good weekend coming up. Hope all's fine and all that stuff your way. Go for 10, 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
In Georgia. There. California again,
Hello, 88 Mojave Desert. Hello, 88 in California. Your 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Go ahead. In California, waving right back. Yeah,
Howdy, Mr. 88. You sounding good in Tennessee, man? Hope you have a good weekend coming up. Your 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
827 for that weekend wave break.
I heard a 27 out there with the weekend wave, 27 something. Weekend wave right back to you. 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Starting here from California, man. Like 227, 25 out there. 25, talking for my chances. Just trying to wait for my turn. They're not in on the West Coast anyway, so I'm making a fun trip. You got some great audio. 227 in the Buckeye. You got some great audio. 88 Mojave Desert, California, letting you know.
018, I think it was a Beavis, 267, downtown Los Angeles.
Hello, 267 downtown Los Angeles. Mr. 2667 downtown Los Angeles. Sounding good in Tennessee, man. Welcome to the weekend. Appreciate you hollering. Your 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Hey, Donkey Stomper, you up in there that time? I'm talking on your 8-pill. Hey, Donkey Stomper, I'm talking on your 8-pill. Thank you for your fine work. Hey, 267 got down.
Roger, 267. Appreciate it, man. You're sounding good on that 8-pill. 267 on 8-pill is doing that deal for you, man. Your 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper with the wave. We're reading the mail.
Anyways, we out by Fall Creek, Oak Ridge, up in the mountains between those two towns of Fall Creek and Oak Ridge, Oregon. How that was, that gentleman asking.
All right, 267, I appreciate the business, man. Appreciate the good wording. Sounding good in Tennessee, 267. Your 018 Tennessee Beavis, sitting here rolling a video game.
Roger that, Donkey Stomper. I liked your video regarding the packing of the amplifiers in the mail, no doubt. I definitely took notes at Donkey Stomper, 267 LA. I'm back quiet for that.
Roger, 267 said you watched the video on the packing and shipping, man. Appreciate it. We just don't want nobody's stuff getting damaged, man. That's all. 267, sounding good in Tennessee once again. On that Donkey Stomper, 018 Tennessee Beavis, reading the mail.
Roger that. 287, out back wide. My donkey stomper.
You hear that donkey stomper? What you got going on tonight, man? I just saw you on the tube a while back. Old cherry bomb out here in the West Coast. But we hear that donkey stomper out there. Come on.
Hello, Cherry Bomb. We're just cruising, man. We're not running real hard. Just running this new 2990 I built, Cherry Bomb. Hey, Cherry Bomb, sounding good in Tennessee. Welcome to the weekend, man. 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
Hey, copy that, donkey stomper. And I heard that nail driver out there, too. I heard that donkey stomper out there on my 7mm beam. I must got it pointed your way. But the old nail driver came out swinging, man. He came out swinging. Anyways, hey, we'll see you back on YouTube, man. I'll get back out of here. Old cherry bomb in the Pacific Northwest. Hold down this corner. 5-3.
Howdy, Cherry Bomb, man. Appreciate you hollering at me. You sound real good in Tennessee. Yeah, old nail driver's got a big old hammer, man. You take care. 018 Tennessee Beavis, Donkey Stomper with the wave.
The donkey dog, wait. Is that what they say?
Hello, 313. They call me the real deal out here around the coast of California. Making friends when they see you back.
Donkey. Yeah. Just a donkey.
Yeah.
Alrighty, guys, we're going to get back to the workbench. Y'all have a good one. 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper. We're back quiet reading the mail.
What'd you do, 25? What switch did you just flip? Right here on there, man. You just come in like that. You used to cut between us.
Out here around the coast of Cal, shaking hands and making friends, and we're standing by.